Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. This wig is from Beauty Forever. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of this video. They sent me a 13x4 balayage highlight wig. As you guys can see, it's definitely in that brassy color. So the 13x4 lace front wig that they sent me seemed kind of short. Now I did cut off the sides before I installed the wig, but I literally like only on one side I cut a little bit of hair off and it was pretty short. Like this side is barely reaching and this side it's not really reaching. Keep that in mind, you guys, but I did manage to make it work. But it's not like a flawless install because they didn't reach to my tabs like where my sideburns naturally reach. Nonetheless, it still looks really cute and it's still fine. So this is the 13x4. It is in a brassy color. During my time in hair school, this color is definitely not a color that you want. This brassy color was always a color that we would try to like remove out of the hair. But seeing it like done so well, it looks so beautiful, and I can't hate on the color, but it just, every time I look at it, I'm like, oh my god, it's so brassy. But I'm here for it. Like, it looks really pretty. Like, I know it looks really nice on camera and it is a beautiful wig, like highlighted wig, but I feel like it's just missing some toning, you know? Like, it just needs like more of a flat color. It's still really cute and I do really like it. It is a long 24-inch, so it's definitely true to length, if not longer. It's hitting me like where a 26-inch would hit me, so definitely think that that is really good. I love to see that. More companies need to do that when it comes to wigs. Like, we want styled length, we don't want stretched length. Nobody's counting stretched length. Nobody got time for that. 24 inches here is beautiful on me. Keep in mind I am 5'9", so I'm very tall. So every time I get a 24-inch that is like long, I'm like, yes, come through, sis, because I'm in it to win it with this one. Super cute, you guys. The wig fits really nicely. I can't feel any tracks or anything like that. The hair is not tangling. My other curling one recently broke. This is a new curling one. This is a 2-inch curling one. So as you guys can see, it's pretty thick. I don't know where my other one is, but this one is really thick and this gives such beautiful curls for this type of wig because it is a body wave texture. I definitely wanted to curl it to show its natural beauty, and obviously body wave texture wigs usually hold a better curl than like a straight wig, and that's all I did for styling was use the curling one. This is how the wig came out. Really soft, really beautiful, and the color looks really nice on my skin tone, you guys. Summer, I'm doing highlight wigs all day, every day. I never thought I'd like highlight wigs as much as I do, or balayage, ombre, same thing. I am living for these highlight wigs. Like, they just look so good on my skin. Like, it just elevates me to like, I feel like a new person anytime I wear a highlight wig like this. It's definitely some of the softest hair for like colored hair. I can't lie, it's pretty good, you guys. Definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys. If you have any questions for me or just want to say what's up or comment on this video, definitely do that in the comment section. We're gonna be doing giveaways, and also I'm gonna be doing some wig sales, you guys, on my Instagram soon. So head over to my hair Instagram. It's gonna be in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing some wigs. If that sounds good to you, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. I got to go. Bye.